Worst investing mistakes. Number 1, not understanding the industry, business at hand. Like, what does the business do? Terms, explain what the business does in a simple and precise way. Do not invest in it. Number 2, you follow FOMO, fear of missing out, where you're just following along, say AI and no matter what industry, everyone is talking about it and you're excited. But you don't understand the sector, let's say it's AI, or computers, or semiconductors, but you don't know what it is, but you feel excited. Do not invest in it if you do not understand what it is. Just stay away, because you don't know if people are walking towards paradise or a slaughterhouse. Number 3, not knowing if the management is qualified for the task at hand. Say it's mining sector, gold company, but the managers have never mined gold in their lives. That's something to pay attention to. 4, not doing research on what the balance sheet and the income statement of the company is. Because the company might have a cool name and be hip and everyone's talking about it, but have you looked at the balance sheet? Do you know their assets? Do you know how much debt they have? Do you know how much money they make? Are they growing their revenue every year? Are they actually growing? Or are they just like in the news because they are paying people to be in the news? Or things that you should pay attention to. Number 5, is it a cyclical business like the shipping industry or mining? Because now gold is in high favor. I shouldn't say gold, because I think personally gold will really grow in the future. But like, let's say it's iron or industrial metals. Those are cyclical because, they go with the economy. Like, if the economy is booming, then those industrial metals are growing because there are higher demands. But when there's a recession, those metals go down. The shipping industry, when the increased demand for imports, more ships. But like a technology company is always going to be in demand. Like, especially if it's AI. But if it's industrial metals, then it might be cyclical, where it might be doing bad now, it might be doing better in the future. 6, one of the worst mistakes you can do is to think worth something when it comes to investing. You might feel like a hot shot, making so much money, and then all of a sudden, let's say the Fed raises the rates, and then boom, all the gains, boom. So you need to bear in mind that the market gives and the market takes. Confident, but you need to have the confidence based on something, knowledge and wisdom, and knowing that, and knowing what you're actually invested in, and understanding what you're invested in, then you can handle the price massively up or massively down. Because then you know that it's a good business. So if it goes down, then it's a buying opportunity. Or if it goes way too much up compared to its intrinsic value, let's say the company's worth $5 and then it goes up to 10, obviously just liquidate it.